और सही मार्गदर्शन से।
In fact, today, as the Prime Minister was taking stock of our growth and achievements, our sense of pride is accompanied by the realization of the milestones we have yet to achieve, of landmarks and turning points we need to arrive at, so that words like independence and freedom take on true meaning for every Indian down the line. And these are the young people that are going to crest those heights. These are the young people that are going to ensure that individual growth is given meaning by collective growth, that the country moves from strength to strength. Very, very excited. Not often that they can see their Prime Minister so up close. And now, of course, the Prime Minister going into the enclosures, greeting the general public, reaching out in many ways. Hands, hearts, hopes. As we celebrate our Independence Day, we not only foreground history, hope, and our home, we foreground the present. We foreground that which empowers life and our home, this motherland that has protectively and with pride nurtured a civilization that is as timeless as it is dynamic, as ancient as it is modern, and as simple as it is complex. And as we can see, celebrations bring us together. Adversity makes us stronger. And of course, challenges make us resilient. And we are a resilient nation. And the future is ours to manifest.
Prime Minister, with a beaming smile and an open heart, takes a moment to interact personally with the crowd. His genuine warmth and approachable demeanor creates a powerful connection with the people, reflecting his deep commitment to being in touch with those he serves. For those fortunate enough to be in the crowd today, this encounter will be forever etched in their memories. The sight of their leader mingling with them, sharing smiles and exchanging heartfelt greetings is a moment of profound significance. It reaffirms the spirit of democracy, where leaders and citizens come together in a shared celebration of freedom and progress.
बढ़े हुए हाथ, मुस्कुराते हुए चेहरे, सभी मानो छू लेना चाहते हैं प्रधानमंत्री जी का हाथ। ये सबसे खूबसूरत मौका होता है इस समारोह का, जब प्रधानमंत्री स्वयं लोगों के बीच जाते हैं और जो उत्साह, जो जोश उनमें है, उसके लिए शब्द कम हैं। आप स्वयं देखिए।
Touching hands, touching hearts, and touching lives. In fact, as we see the diversity in the crowd, as we see the youthfulness in the young children we saw earlier, we know that India has always had a lot to offer the world. And today, it is considered the human resource capital of the world. One can never have enough. Conversations, memories, captured by so many for posterity here today. Smiles writ large on beaming faces as these live images are being beamed directly into your homes by our camera people and our team here.
इस वर्ष के स्वाधीनता दिवस समारोह को विशेष कलेवर प्रदान किया है उन विशेष मेहमानों ने जो देश के कोने-कोने से इस राष्ट्रीय पर्व का हिस्सा बनने के लिए ऐतिहासिक लाल किले की प्राचीर के समक्ष उसके सामने पहुंचे हैं और उन सभी के लिए आज का ये मौका, ये अवसर